Look at this, people. We've had mail. Spin everybody. Haltech dude. Alright, let's have a look. See what's inside.
So this will all go inside the car.
Yep.
And this is all what talks to your engine.
Okay, cool.
So this will manage all your sensors, your nitrous, start the car, start a motor, everything.
Awesome.
So
that's wicked.
From there, those go to your ECU.
Yep.
Fusion relay box, and this will talk to your dash and to your trim modules.
Yep, cool. Right.
So,
and that's the Haltech computer there.
So this one's the Haltech.
Yep. Awesome.
So Elite 2500, and then you got a USB for data logging.
Yep, we did.
And we've also got your, this is your O2 sensor.
Yep.
So you can mount that to your dash, and then your O2 sensor all plugs into everything.
Yep.
So
cool.
Yeah, and then we've got a whole heap of connectors.
Awesome. And I've been chopping. So I think what we've got here is some stuff from Ice Edition. Unboxing videos are meant to be popular, aren't they? One-handed unboxing. So this should be maybe. Alright, so that sounds like the coil mounting brackets. They look like, oh, a t-shirt. He sent me a t-shirt and some connectors. Nice one, guys. Love it. So that's the LS1 Smart Coil. This will be the distributor, no doubt. Look at that. That sent me the wrong one. They were meant to send me a billet cap one with 6 coil packs. That's not a billet cap thing. That's okay.
Let's go on that.
All right. Well, I will have to sort that out. Because it's meant to have a billet cap on it.
Yeah, it's meant to have a billet cap within the connectors to go to the ECU.
So we've got a smart coil, and then they sent it for the wrong set. Like he gave me the option of the 2 setups. Gave me the option of the setup with distributor being a crank and cam trigger. That won't change.
Yeah.
But he said I could either run 1 coil and the lid and that cap.
That or individual coils.
Right. Or I could run individual coils with a nice billet cap on it. So he sent me the wrong one.
So he still sent you all the individual LS coils?
Well, I don't know. I don't know what's in there. Let's have a look. I'm going to castrate myself while I'm at it. So I've got 4 coils. And 2 coils. Alright. So he sent me 6 coils, but I've got the wrong cap on that.
So everything else is right other than the distributor?
I think so, yeah. I'll have to ring him tomorrow. They'll be shut now. Bugger. Oh well, okay. Well, we've got plenty of time to sort that out, so it's not that big a deal, really. Shit happens, I guess. But, I'll get that sorted. I'll just have to send that one back to him, I suppose. And, okay, well, I'm glad I figured that out. So I can get that sorted in the next day or 2. Get him to send me another one. Alrighty. That's it.